Hi guys, CJ again, just in front of the chart. So I thought now I'm not in EURNZD, I would do a recap video for this trade. This was a lovely trade, managed to bank just over 2%. Unfortunately, it's now knocked me out, but let me just explain what I was looking for. Just go onto the daily, and you can see that price is clearly in a downtrend, and last time we were at these lows was December 2019. But you can see we were creating a falling wedge where price was getting tighter and tighter on the way down, and basically a falling wedge is a strong reversal pattern, and then going down onto the 4 hours, you can see that we created this double bottom, which looks like it looks then that we were going to push to the upside, and as you can see, when we create this double bottom, we did have this push to the upside, and that was when I was interested in looking for longs for this pair. And once we had that, I was looking for a higher low. So we had we had the low here, higher low, higher high. I was looking for a higher low, and then obviously I'll be looking for the next higher high, and that was obviously what I was looking for in this trade. Now, as you can see, if I just draw on some trend lines, you can see after we had this impulse, we sort of did have a bit of corrective price action, and you can see that we came into this region of previous structure, and that was when I executed the trade, and it was a lovely entry, and we entered on the 4-hour candle close, and we had a huge push to the upside. Now obviously, just show you how I manage this trade, let's just clear this up just a bit. So if we go down to the hourly, you can see that we had the initial push, came back, retested, great entry, and then we had a huge push to the upside. Again, quite a wide stop, 30 pips. You can see that probably could have pulled it in quite a bit, but as soon as we got to 1%, stops were to break even, and I banked 1%. Then managed this position accordingly, and as soon as we got to 2 RR, I locked in 2% in the trade, and I just thought I would leave a small position running to see if we could hit our initial target and test this high up here along with this wick. So this was the region that I was looking for. Unfortunately, as you can see, my final bit of the position did get knocked out, and we've now had a huge sell-off, and we've come back into this falling wedge. So it'll be interesting to see what happens with price here, but overall a really good trade. Happy with my management of it. It was quite an easy trade, just rode it all the way up, just locking in percentages along the way. Well done to those that benefited from this trade, and let's see if I can find a setup for today. See you later, guys.